Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a construction engineering problem for your FE review. Make sure you give the problem a try on your own before you start the solution. In this case, we're given a project network diagram and we're asked to solve for the length of the critical path in days. So when you're given a problem like this, remember that the critical path is going to be the path that has the longest duration to get from the first task to the last task. So what we're going to do is we're just going to analyze the different paths that we can get through this project network diagram, and we're going to see which one is the longest, and that's the critical path. So the first one that we can do is this A, B, D, H. So I'll just write that real quick right here on the side, A, B, D, H. So the duration of that path is going to be 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2, and that is going to be a total of 17 days. So we'll just keep that one in mind. So then the next path that we can do is going to be A, B, E, G, H. So the length for that path is 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 2, and that's going to be a total of 31 days. So then we have one more path that we can look at, which is ACFGH, and then the length for that one is going to be 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2, and that one's going to be 25 days. So out of the three possible paths that can be followed from the first task to the last task in this project diagram, the longest one is going to be this one right here, and it has a duration of 31 days. So that is going to be the length of the critical path in days. So in this case, our answer is going to be D. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and also make sure to subscribe to the channel.